In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a page from navigation in Wix. This can be incredibly useful if you want to work on a page without displaying it publicly, or if you have content that you need to keep accessible but not featured in your site's main menu. To begin, you'll first need to head over to wix.com. Open up your web browser and type in wix.com to reach the login page. Enter your login credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one to proceed with designing your website. Once you've logged in, look for the main dashboard of your account. From this dashboard, you'll see a list of the websites you're managing. Click on Select and Edit Site next to the specific site you want to work on. This will take you to the Website Management interface where you can make design changes. Once you're on the management page, find and click on Design Site. This option will lead you directly into the Wix Website Editor, which is where the magic happens. Inside the Wix Website Editor, look towards the left-hand side menu for the Pages and Menu section. Clicking on this opens up a list of all your website's pages. Now identify the page you wish to hide from your site's navigation. It could be any page that you're not ready to show just yet, or one that doesn't need to be easily accessible. Select the page you intend to hide by clicking on it. After selecting the desired page, look towards the right side for 3 dots. This is the More Actions menu. Clicking on these 3 dots gives you a drop-down menu with several options for your page. Here, you will find the option you're looking for, Hide from Menu. Clicking this will remove the page from your site's navigation bar. This means that while the page is still active and can be accessed via direct link, it won't appear in the site's menu or navigation bar. Remember, this action does not delete the page. It simply hides it from the navigation. This is perfect for pages that are still under construction, or for information you wish to keep available, but not prominently displayed. If you ever decide to make this page visible again, just follow the same steps and select Show in Menu where you previously selected Hide from Menu. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to manage what shows up in your site's navigation on Wix. Whether you're fine-tuning your site's design or simply keeping things organized, knowing how to hide a page is a handy tool in your website management arsenal. Thanks for watching, and happy building.